Welcome back to All You Need to Know. Today we're going to be talking about appliances within the home, such as the HVAC system as well as washer and dryers, to discuss what are the typical lifespans of these appliances and what are typical costs to repair. First item on the list is the HVAC system. The HVAC system typically lasts around 12 to 25 years. If it needs to be fully replaced, it could cost from $5,000 to about $10,000. The second item on the list is the water heater. Water heaters last around 10 to 15 years and can cost about $500 to about $1,500 to replace. The third item on the list is the washer and dryer. These typically last 7 to 15 years and could cost about $500 to $1,500 to replace as well. One of the last items on the list is the oven/stove. Those typically last 10 to 15 years and could cost anywhere from $500 to about $3,000 depending on the type of unit you buy. If you have any other questions regarding household appliances, make sure to either DM me or comment below. Please make sure to like, follow, and share. And until next time, I'll see you again.